calc review number 39, the problem reads, find all numbers that must be excluded from the domain of a rational expression, which is essentially saying what are the only numbers that can't be substituted into this expression to actually generate a y value. So what I recommend doing is, you have to remember with rational expressions that the only problem area that you're going to run into is the denominator. And remember, the denominator cannot equal 0. So I really don't care about the top, because the top of a fraction can be 0, and it's just going to be 0 altogether if the denominator is a whole number, or is any integer. So let's begin by just taking this expression and rewriting it in factored form. So I'll leave the top, and it really doesn't do much at all. And then to get the x squared, I'm going to get this set up. And I think I need two numbers that multiply to positive 27 and add to negative 12. I'm thinking 9 and 3. So let me double check this. So negative 3x and negative 9x for a total of negative 12x. So I'm good. So again, this is the area we're dealing with. I look at each individual binomial individually, and you just try to think to yourself, what makes that expression right here equal to 0? And of course that would be 3. Same idea from here. If I place 9 in this expression, I'm going to get 0 in the denominator, and that's a bad thing. Here's an informal way to write the domain. X can't be equal to 3 and 9. That is an option. Probably a better way is to write it in interval notation. So that would be from negative infinity all the way up to 3. Then from 3 to 9, and from 9 to infinity. Feel free to write union symbols in there, or even put commas, but maybe I'll go old school and go with the unions. There you go.